Hello all, I'm going to discuss about system design using Qsys and Qsys. So I'll explain this one using a simple Hello World program. So first start a project, create a new project in Qsys 2. So is a project wizard. So create a project. So I'm going to have create a new project here, so which is going to be Hello World, and I'll name the project also as a Hello World, and I'm going to store it in a folder Hello World. Right now no need to add any new design folder or existing design. I'm going to use a Cyclone 4E. Okay, that's a summary of a project created. The project name is going to be Hello World, and we have not included any design files. So we're going to create a system using Qsys. So go to Tools, Qsys, okay. So that's the Qsys. We'll have a default clock component, and for any basic system should have a processor. So I'll include a Qsys 2 processor from library. So you can just type on the search tab Qsys. You'll get the Qsys 2 processor selected, included in the system contents, and configuring it. I'm going to use an economic version of Qsys 2. So and rest I'll leave at default right now. I'll come back and change few things later. And the next thing should be in the system is an on-chip memory. So on-chip memory to store the data as well as the instructions. So the default size of on-chip memory is going to be 4K, so I need a little bit more space for that. I'll include one more 0 to make it as 40K, and I'll be using JTAG UART. And I'll leave the default settings there. Yeah, I have placed all the components, and I need to connect the clock to each of the component. So from the clock to the processor clock, as well as to the on-chip memory and JTAG UART, and the clock reset is being given to all the reset pins of the components. And the data master is being connected to S1 of on-chip memory and the JTAG, and the instruction master is connected to on-chip memory alone, so the instruction is read from the memory. Yeah, still we have a few errors in the message section. So one of the errors is there is a conflict in the base address, so you can assign it manually, or you can go to system, assign base address. So the Qsys is going to generate base addresses for each component, and yeah, we need to specify which is the reset slave and exception slave. So go back to processor, Qsys 2 processor. Yeah, here you need to mention which is the reset memory and exception memory. So we are going to use the on-chip memory. In both the cases, on-chip memory will be the option. And we have one more warning there. So the interrupt is not connected. So scroll to your right. So connect it. Double click on Avalon JTEX Live, and it will be connected to IRQ pin of processor. So we save the system. Now we have created configured a system. You need to save this. So I'll name this one as hello. And I'm going to generate this one. So here the output directory where the QIP and the Verilog file which is being created will be stored. So I'm going to generate this one. Yeah, the system has been generated. So I'll go back to the quarters, and I'm going to include the QIP which has been generated from the Qsys. So add files, browse, and it will be there in synthesis folder. I'm going to have QIP which should be included to the project. And go back to the quarters. Yeah, set this one as top level entity, and compile this one. Yeah, after the compilation you do the pin assignments. Go to import pins. Go to the pin assignment editor. So assign the clock pin to the system clock. And reset to key 0. You can give it to the switch also. Save this and compile it again. Yeah, after the compilation, just download the system to the board. So go to tools, programmer, so select the board, include the SOF file, delete this one. Yeah, now download it to the board. Yeah, once now the system has been downloaded to the board. Now I need a program to run on the system which has been created. So for that I will create a C program on the tool called Eclipse. So go to tools, newest tool, software build tools for Eclipse. So just select the workspace for the Eclipse. So now we need to create a new application which has to be run on the system, and I need to create a boot support package, BSP, and I'm going to create hello world from the template. I need to select the SOPC information file, which is there in give a project name for the application. So I'll type hello world, and from the hello world template I'm going to get the C code. So type next, and the project name is hello underscore world underscore BSP, and finish this one in order to create the BSP. So go to the application hello underscore world, and you can find the C file which is there in the template, and you can modify this one. So say it's going to be hello world, so that was our project name, and you can add some more, something like have a nice day. Save and right click, build this project. Once it's compiled, you don't have any errors. So right click, run as Qsys hardware. So in the Qsys console you can see whatever we have intended to print, it has been printed. So it's hello world, have nice day, or double have a nice day. And this program, the hello world program, is running on the FPGA board. So that's a simple hello world program using Qsys. Thank you.